Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Core of Chaos, minimum level, and the dungeon key. Once inventory check is done, equip your highest burst DPS gear and add 3 damage glyphs. This maximizes clear speed. Make sure your party has a healer and a tank, and assign interrupt duties now. Begin the run immediately. Pull the first pack with a ranged opener to draw one group at a time, because controlled adds prevent wipe and save cooldowns for the boss. Once the fight is underway, rotate your burst every 20 to 30 seconds so damage remains even and you avoid overlapping long cooldowns. You should manage adds tightly, stun or crowd control priority targets, and kite any ranged casters away from the core. Keep an eye on the Core of Chaos HP bar. When it dips into major thresholds, rotate defensive skills and healing cooldowns to survive the spike. Communicate short calls. Now, stack now. Spread. As the core drops below 20%, use your last big DPS cooldowns together to create a kill window. Time it with healer resources so you don't overcommit. If the boss enrages unexpectedly, trigger group-wide mitigation and move off known mechanics immediately. This prevents an instant wipe. If you get tethered or pulled, reset positioning calmly, spread on explosive timers, and re-establish kiting patterns. Troubleshooting tip: if you still wipe, record the run and watch for pattern mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.